All right, imagine you're a farmer. But not just any farmer. You're armed with math, and you're out to grow the biggest, baddest crops on the block. Here's the deal. You have a field, some seeds, and a bunch of different fertilizers. Your mission? Figure out which fertilizer makes your crops grow the fastest. Now, you could just throw a bunch of fertilizer down and hope for the best. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? That's where derivatives come in. They're not just scary squiggles in your calculus textbook. They're your secret weapon for tracking how fast things change. Let me break it down. Suppose the height of your crop, let's call it H, depends on the amount of fertilizer you use, which we'll call F. So, H equals sign FF. As you add fertilizer, your crops grow higher. But here's the real question: at what rate? How fast is your plant shooting up for every extra scoop of fertilizer you dump in? That's where the derivative shines. The derivative, DHDF, tells you the growth speed, the rate at which height changes with respect to fertilizer. Think of it like this. If DHDF is high, your plant's loving the nutrients and shooting up fast. If it's low or zero, you may be wasting fertilizer, or worse, overdoing it. Let's use a real-life example. Imagine the relationship between height and fertilizer looks like H equals sign 5F, 0, 2F2. If you take the derivative, you get DHDF equals sign 5, 0.4F. This formula is your growth speedometer. So how do you use it? Plug in different values of F, like 5, 10, or 12 kilos of fertilizer, into the derivative. You'll see how fast the plant is growing at each amount. Eventually, the number starts dropping. That's the sweet spot. The point before the plant stops responding or even starts declining because of too much fertilizer. This isn't just classroom math, it's how real-life agronomists optimize crop yields and save resources. You're literally using calculus to make smarter decisions, save money, and help the environment. So next time you hear derivative in class, don't roll your eyes. Remember, it's the tool that helps you predict and control the world around you, whether it's crops, cars, or cash flow. Stay curious, keep questioning, and trust math to be your guide. Who knows? Maybe the next big farming breakthrough will come from you.